Well, the Border Gavaskar Trophy is currently underway and both the teams are preparing for the third test of the series in Brisbane. The series is leveled 1-1 and this is a very crucial match for both the teams. Talking about the Indian team, they have been practicing hard. They stayed back in Adelaide after the second test to continue their practice in the nets, and then they moved to Brisbane after Team Australia and now they are practicing in Australia. Amidst all this, जसप्रीत बुमराह को लेके काफ़ी सवाल उठ रहे थे. Is he fit enough to play the third test? We saw him struggling during the second test. There were some niggles which were disturbing him, and this was a major cause of concern, not just for the Indian team but also for the Indian fans who have been wondering whether we'll even see Jasprit Bumrah in the third test. Now it's a 5-match test series. You need a bowler like Jasprit Bumrah to play all 5 test matches. It's that important. The series is on the line. WTC final, which looks really difficult for Team India right now, is on the line, and you need Bumrah. But is he fit? Is he fit to practice, to play? He missed the Adelaide practice. He was given rest from the practice sessions. So वो सवाल और उठे कि प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं कर रहे, वार्म अप भी नहीं कर रहे. इज ही ओके और डज ही स्टिल हैव सम निगल? वेल, फाइनली जसप्रीत बुमराह रिटर्न टू प्रैक्टिस. ही स्टार्टेड विद द वार्म अप्स and then he started bowling full tilt in the nets. Practice session से according to various reports काफ़ी न्यूज़ निकल के आ रही है. जसप्रीत बुमराह के साथ साथ जो दूसरा बड़ा सवाल था, where will रोहित शर्मा play? Will he open? Will he play in the middle order? This is a big question mark. But the practice session, well, they have sort of answered some questions, although you can't ever be sure until the toss has happened, and then you see the team on the ground, and then you see what the team India was thinking for the past few days. But practice को अगर देखा जाए तो रोहित शर्मा started his practice with a new ball. He played in the nets. He played Jasprit Bumrah in the nets with a new ball. Now this is a big sign for two different things. Number one, Jasprit Bumrah is okay. He's bowling full tilt. He bowled a brilliant spell to Rohit Sharma in the nets. And number two, Rohit Sharma practicing with the new ball means he is all set to come back to open, or at least these are the signs as of now. Whereas KL Rahul, he also batted in nets but with a slightly used ball. So this further adds to this speculation about Rohit Sharma moving back to his opening position and KL Rahul coming back to the middle order. In the first test, Rohit Sharma missed the first test. KL Rahul opened. Rahul and Jaiswal, built a brilliant 200-run partnership in the second innings, which helped India win the first test of the series. And when the second test came, Rohit Sharma came back, but he retained. He let Rahul retain his opening position, and Rohit in fact played in the middle order, but वो वहाँ भी fail हुए. वो second test में middle order पे दोनों innings में नहीं चल पाए. But now there were speculations of whether Rohit will move back to opening or not, but if this practice session is to be believed, then it's a sign. Maybe it's a sign that Rohit Sharma might come back to open, KL Rahul in the middle order, and a very good news, Jasprit Bumrah bowling full tilt in the nets means he is good to go as of now. He is injury free. There's nothing to be scared of अगर practice session देखा जाए. But fingers crossed, we need Jasprit Bumrah on the field. We need Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul to be in the best of their forms. Obviously, KL Rahul, along with KL Rahul and Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Yashasvi Jaiswal, they also batted in the nets. So India is having a good practice before the Brisbane test. As I said, it's a very important test match for both the teams, and more so for the Indian team, because their way to the WTC final, which could be their third consecutive WTC final, is looking really difficult right now. वो path बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है. But will India qualify? We'll have to wait and see. The bigger question is, where will Rohit play, where will Rahul play, and whether Bumrah will play or not.